Over 60? 4 worst fruits you should never touch, and 4 you must eat daily. Imagine this. A fruit you have always trusted as a health booster could actually be quietly draining your strength, clouding your mind, and speeding up the aging process. It is hard to believe, yet science now shows that many so-called healthy fruits can do real harm to people over 60, with recent studies revealing that certain choices can drive inflammation up by more than 300% in just 1 week. Shockingly, nearly 65 out of every 100 seniors are unknowingly eating fruits that trigger these spikes, leaving them dizzy, fatigued, and at a higher risk for dangerous falls. Before we uncover these hidden dangers, please take a moment to like this video, share it with a loved one, and subscribe to our channel for more life-saving health tips. You'll want to stay with us until the very end because our #1 must-eat fruit is a medical powerhouse that can actually recycle your aging cells into fresh, strong ones. Now, let's uncover the very first fruit on the danger list that may be silently aging your body from the inside out. The 4 worst fruits for seniors over 60. 1. Grapes. Grapes are the first hidden enemy on our list because, despite their refreshing and healthy image, they act as nature's concentrated sugar bombs for a body over 60. At this stage of life, your insulin sensitivity naturally declines, making it harder for your pancreas to manage sudden influxes of glucose. Every 100-gram serving of these juicy pearls delivers 16 grams of sugar directly into your bloodstream with almost zero fiber to slow the absorption. This creates a dangerous roller coaster effect where your blood sugar spikes and then crashes, leaving you feeling dizzy, fatigued, and plagued by intense cravings just hours later. Beyond the sugar impact, grapes pose a significant chemical threat because their skin is incredibly thin and porous. This allows environmental toxins to penetrate deep into the flesh where simple washing cannot reach them. Recent laboratory tests have identified up to 56 different pesticide residues on conventional grapes, many of which are classified as neurotoxins that can cloud your mental clarity and affect your nervous system as you age. Many seniors mistakenly eat grapes to boost their blood, but for someone with a weary metabolism, this habit can lead to chronic inflammation and a significantly higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. If you find it impossible to say goodbye to this fruit, you must change how you consume them to protect your health. A vital professional tip is to limit your intake to a maximum of 10 individual pieces and always pair them with a handful of walnuts or almonds. The healthy fats and proteins in the nuts act as a brake system, preventing the sugar from hitting your system all at once. Have you noticed yourself feeling unusually sleepy after a bowl of grapes? This brings us to another fruit that might be attacking your digestive system from the inside out.
2. Pineapple. Pineapple ranks as the second major danger because its star component, an enzyme called bromelain, becomes a double-edged sword for an older adult's stomach. While bromelain is famous for its ability to tenderize tough meat, it cannot distinguish between the protein in a steak and the delicate protein fibers that make up your own stomach lining. As you pass age 60, this protective lining naturally thins out, leaving you vulnerable. When you eat pineapple, especially on an empty stomach, this enzyme begins to digest your own gastric defenses, leading to painful irritation and even internal ulcers. The physical chemistry of pineapple is equally harsh, sporting a pH level of approximately 3.2, which is nearly as acidic as the digestive fluids in your stomach. This extreme acidity is a primary driver of chronic acid reflux and esophageal burning, conditions that affect a vast number of seniors. In a comprehensive study involving 3,300 older adults, researchers found that regular pineapple consumers had significantly higher markers of long-term blood sugar distress compared to those who avoided it. This is because a single cup of pineapple chunks floods your system with roughly 16 grams of fast-acting sugar, further straining your metabolic health. Perhaps the most life-threatening risk involves pineapple's interaction with modern medicine. If you are among the millions of seniors taking blood thinners like warfarin to prevent strokes, pineapple can dangerously intensify the drug's effects. This creates a situation where a simple fall or a small cut could lead to uncontrolled internal bleeding because your blood has become far too thin. While we often think of fruit as immune-boosting, the reality for your teeth and your prescriptions can be much grimmer when it comes to citrus. 3. Oranges. Oranges and their concentrated juices represent a massive threat to both your dental integrity and your medication safety after age 60. While we have been told for decades that orange juice is the gold standard for vitamin C, for a senior, it is often a glass of pure citric acid that eats away at your smile. Over 60 years of use, your tooth enamel has already become as thin as an eggshell, and daily citrus consumption has been shown to cause 3.7 times more enamel erosion compared to those who limit their intake. This leads to agonizing tooth sensitivity and permanent loss of the very teeth you need to enjoy your meals. Beyond your mouth, oranges contain hidden compounds called furanocoumarins that act like a blackout switch for your liver. These chemicals paralyze the specific enzymes responsible for breaking down common prescriptions for blood pressure, cholesterol, and even anxiety. When these enzymes are disabled, your daily pill doesn't get cleared from your system. Instead, it builds up to toxic levels, sometimes reaching 10 times the intended dose. This turns a helpful treatment into a dangerous overdose that can lead to acute kidney failure or sudden life-threatening drops in blood pressure. Shockingly, even your joint health is at risk, as a study involving 1,900 seniors revealed that daily orange eaters reported significantly more joint pain and stiffness in the mornings. Instead of calming inflammation, the specific sugars and acids in oranges may be fueling the fires of arthritis in your knees and hips. A much safer way to get your vitamin C is through a red bell pepper, which provides triple the nutrients without the acid or drug risks. But before you reach for the most convenient fruit in your bowl, you must hear the truth about the world's most popular yellow snack.
4. Bananas. Bananas are the final worst fruit for seniors because their high glycemic index transforms them into a sugar delivery system that your aging body simply cannot handle. Many people believe bananas are the perfect health food, but as they ripen and develop those characteristic brown spots, their glycemic index shoots past 70. At this level, eating a single banana is biologically equivalent to eating several spoonfuls of refined table sugar. For a body over 60, this causes a massive insulin surge that forces your heart and pancreas to work in overdrive. This sugar overload is why a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate bananas daily were twice as likely to suffer from mid-afternoon energy crashes and brain fog. These crashes happen because the body overreacts to the 17 grams of fast-absorbing sugar found in a medium banana, leading to a state of temporary exhaustion. Furthermore, for the millions of seniors struggling with slow digestion, bananas can act like a clog in the system. If they are even slightly underripe, they contain high levels of tannins, compounds that act like glue in the intestines, stopping natural movement and causing chronic constipation. Have you ever felt bloated or heavy after your morning banana? This is because the fruit often lacks the necessary magnesium and fiber balance to offset its sugar content, leading to fermentation and painful gas in the gut. While they are famous for potassium, you can actually get 50% more of that vital mineral from a half of an avocado without any of the dangerous sugar spikes. Now that we have identified the 4 fruits that are quietly draining your vitality, are you ready to learn about the miracle replacements that can actually recycle your aging cells and restore your strength? The 4 best fruits for seniors over 60. 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is the ultimate cellular rejuvenator for anyone over 60 because it contains unique polyphenols that trigger a vital process called mitophagy. Think of this as a natural cleanup crew that identifies rusted, damaged power stations in your cells, known as mitochondria, and clears them out to make room for fresh, high-functioning replacements. For a body that has been running for 6 decades,
This cellular recycling is like performing a deep engine flush that restores energy levels and clears away the sludge associated with aging. This process is made possible when your gut bacteria transform pomegranate compounds into a miracle molecule called urolithin A, which acts as the signal for cells to begin their internal renovation. The benefits extend directly to your most vital organs, particularly the heart and brain. In a significant clinical trial involving 600 adults between the ages of 60 and 75, researchers found that daily pomegranate consumption led to a noticeable reduction in the thickness of the carotid arteries, which are the main pipelines for blood reaching your brain. By keeping these vessels flexible and open, you are effectively recharging your mental clarity and lowering the risk of sudden vascular issues. Furthermore, another study showed that seniors struggling with mild forgetfulness significantly improved their ability to recall names and events after just 12 weeks of adding this ruby fruit to their daily routine. To get the most out of this powerhouse, a pro tip is to not discard the white membrane entirely when you scoop out the seeds. This bitter part contains the highest concentration of the compounds that support healthy blood vessels. You can easily blend the seeds into a morning smoothie or sprinkle them over warm oatmeal to hide the bitterness while soaking up the benefits. Have you ever felt that your memory isn't as sharp as it used to be during family gatherings? If pomegranates are the king of cellular recycling, then our next fruit is surely the queen of cognitive protection.
2. Blueberries. Blueberries, often called the memory berry, are one of the rare foods that contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. Most nutrients simply float in your bloodstream, but these deep blue pigments are like special agents that penetrate the hippocampus, your brain's central hub for memory and learning, to reconnect broken neural pathways and repair damage from within. The long-running Nurses' Health Study, which tracked more than 16,000 women over age 70, provided some of the most compelling evidence yet. Those who ate just 2 servings of blueberries per week had brains that functioned as if they were 2.5 years younger than those who avoided them. Beyond just keeping your mind sharp, blueberries act as a master metabolic regulator. They help your body burn fat more efficiently and keep your blood sugar steady throughout the day, preventing that heavy, sluggish feeling that often follows a meal. For your eyesight, these berries are equally transformative. The anthocyanins help regenerate the specific proteins required to see in dim light, significantly reducing the risk of developing cataracts or vision loss as you age. Whether you prefer them fresh or frozen, since frozen berries retain 94% of their antioxidants, aiming for 1 cup a day is the best medicine you can put on your plate. A fascinating side note is that wild blueberries often contain nearly double the antioxidant power of the larger farmed varieties found in most stores. You can easily mix them into yogurt or bake them into healthy muffins without losing their potency. Do you often find yourself walking into a room only to forget why you went there in the first place? Transitioning from mental clarity to physical comfort, let's look at a fruit that targets the aches and pains that often keep us from moving freely. 3. Tart cherries. Tart cherries are your pain reliever in a bowl because they contain potent plant chemicals that block the same inflammatory enzymes targeted by over-the-counter drugs like ibuprofen or aspirin. These rubies are packed with anthocyanins and quercetin, which soothe the fire in your joints and muscles without the harsh side effects that prescription medications can have on your stomach and kidneys. Researchers at the University of Michigan discovered that consuming just 1 cup of these cherries could significantly lower the levels of uric acid in your body in as little as 48 hours. This is a game changer for seniors dealing with gout or arthritis, as it prevents the formation of sharp crystals that cause agonizing joint flare-ups. In addition to mobility, tart cherries are one of the only natural sources of melatonin, the vital sleep hormone that our bodies produce in smaller and smaller amounts as we get older. A clinical trial focused on seniors with chronic insomnia revealed that those who drank unsweetened tart cherry juice slept an average of 84 minutes longer each night and experienced much deeper, more restorative rest. Instead of waking up feeling stiff and groggy, you can wake up with a light body and clear mind, ready to tackle the day's activities.
For the best results, try having a handful of cherries or a small glass of juice about an hour after dinner to help your nervous system transition into sleep mode. If you find yourself tossing and turning at 3 a.m. with aching knees, this could be the natural solution you've been looking for. Now we reach the #1 superfruit on our list, which provides the essential lubrication your aging body needs to stay flexible and strong.
4. Avocados. Avocados are the #1 fruit you must eat daily because they provide the monounsaturated smart fats that act as premium lubricant for your aging brain, heart, and arteries. Many seniors have been taught to fear fat, but the creamy green flesh of an avocado contains the exact type of oil your aging engine needs to keep blood vessels flexible and lower bad cholesterol. A comprehensive study published in the journal Nutrients followed nearly 2,900 adults over 60 and found that those who ate just one avocado a day scored significantly higher on memory and problem-solving tests compared to those who rarely touched them. These healthy fats are the key that unlocks the nutrients from every other food you eat. For example, adding just half an avocado to a vegetable salad can boost your absorption of vision-protecting beta-carotene by 13 times. Without these fats, your body simply cannot unlock the vitamins in your greens, leaving them to go to waste. Furthermore, avocados are a secret weapon for blood pressure control. They boast nearly 690 milligrams of potassium per serving, which is significantly more than a banana, helping to relax your blood vessels and protect your heart without the dangerous sugar spikes associated with sweeter fruits. You can easily enjoy half an avocado on whole grain toast for a filling breakfast, or mash it into a quick guacamole to serve over fish for dinner. The healthy trio of magnesium, vitamin K, and folate inside ensures your bones stay dense and your nerves fire smoothly as you move through the day. Which of these 4 powerhouse fruits will you be adding to your grocery list this week to ensure you stay strong and independent? Every choice you make at the grocery store is a vote for your future independence or your future decline. If you ignore these warnings and continue to flood your system with the sugar bombs and acid traps we discussed earlier, you are essentially inviting chronic inflammation, memory loss, and a loss of dignity into your life. Don't let your health slip out of your hands. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about to help them stay sharp and revitalized. Your journey to a stronger body starts with the next meal you prepare, and you won't want to miss our upcoming deep dive into the specific super vegetables that can reverse muscle loss in just minutes a day.